English-Armenian. Make, do equals.
Անել,
Past tense fun. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey do. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll learn the Armenian past of make, do.
անել,
With jokes, drills, and a tiny victory dance. Ready to make progress? Let's do it. Your goal today. Do. In minutes you'll say key past forms with confidence. Make, do.
անել,
You made.
դու արեցիր,
He did.
նա արեց,
She did.
նա արեց,
It made.
դա արեց,
We made.
մենք արեցինք,
You did, plural, formal.
դուք արեցիք,
They made.
նրանք արեցին,
Forms remix, call and response. I cue the English, do fires the Armenian, loud and proud. Make, do.
անել,
You made.
դու արեցիր,
He did.
նա արեց,
She did.
նա արեց,
It made.
դա արեց,
We made.
մենք արեցինք,
You did, plural.
դուք արեցիք,
They made.
նրանք արեցին,
Victory clap. High five to your brain. Mini dialogue. Listen in, do, spot each past form and grin a little. A. We had a plan. Did we make it? B. Yes, we made it.
մենք արեցինք,
A. Nice. And the printer? B. It made the copies.
դա արեց,
A. Who fixed the bug? B. He did.
նա արեց,
A. And the report? B. She did.
նա արեց,
A. Team, I'm proud. You did everything.
դուք արեցիք,
A. Hey do, you made the difference.
դու արեցիր,
B. Together, they made the deadline.
նրանք արեցին,
Culture tip. Lavash magic. Do. Picture the toner oven and the smell of fresh bread. In Armenia, bakers skillfully make dough into thin lavash. Yes, they make, do, it.
անել,
Next time you see a finished flatbread, whisper like a local, it made it.
դա արեց,
Speed drill. Rapid fire. Say it before I finish the drumbeat. Prompt. You made, answer.
դու արեցիր,
Prompt. He did, answer.
նա արեց,
Prompt. She did, answer.
նա արեց,
Prompt. It made, answer.
դա արեց,
Prompt. We made, answer.
մենք արեցինք,
Prompt. You did, plural, answer.
դուք արեցիք,
Prompt. They made, answer.
նրանք արեցին,
Bonus. Make, do, infinitive.
անել,
Pop quiz. Do, quick checks, no stress, only progress. Ch.9, translate, they made. A.
նրանք արեցին,
Q2, translate. You did, plural, formal. A.
Դուք արեցիք.
Q3, translate. He did, she did. A.
Նա արեց.
Q4, translate. We made. A.
Մենք արեցինք.
Q5, translate. It made. A.
Դա արեց.
Challenge. Say it your way. Do, make it personal. Speak it out loud. Finish the sentence. Yesterday, you made it. Say, yesterday?
Դու արեցիր.
Cheer a friend, he did it.
Նա արեց.
And she did it.
Նա արեց.
Team win. We made it.
Մենք արեցինք.
Applause to the crew. You did it. Plural.
Դուք արեցիք.
Point to the device. It made it.
Դա արեց.
News headline. They made it.
Նրանք արեցին.
Outro. Great job, Do. Your brain just did reps like an athlete. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Անել.
And the past forms.
Դու արեցիր. Նա արեց. Դա արեց. Մենք արեցինք. Դուք արեցիք. Նրանք արեցին.
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Find more lessons, transcripts, and drills at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.